vitamins. Think about your drink.
Napag me done. No? C is for citric acid.
Red horse.
C is for citrate.
R is
C
for
is for caramel color. No? For no S.
Ray June. H is for
C is for
hydrogen.
cool. C is
Horse.
for clean.
H2.
Na.
Water.
Pero walang explain yun. Vitamin C is equivalent to 419 medium-sized whole fish. Kalamansi. Dahon naman tanan mo kalamansi.
Pero mo, okay naman oh. The natural color of the tea may vary per
May
brew.
vary.
Vary per brew. Tea
Brew.
sediments may occur due to the brewing process of the tea leaf.
O, dali mo ka patio. My drink contains real fruit juice. No artificial color and artificial sweetener.
Pero ma, serve, chill, shake well before drinking. Refrigerate after opening.
O, dali ka mapatayo. Also available in Dalandan Burst, lemon squeeze, orange crush, and pomelo grapefruit, and also comes in 1 liter and 350 ml bottles. Wala ka na
Pero mo kay,
ka naman.
contains natural antioxidant.
Na, go.
Dayon, sama. Ang sama mo ha? Katorin mo ha?
Napa?
yes.
Oh, man.
Brewed from 100% natural green tea leaves. Bottled on the same day. Na same
Oh,
day.
wow!
Pero kay, expire na naman yan ha?
Ngayon, pamino na again.
Go.
Each bottle
Ah.
of 350 ml will serve you a Smart C plus, too much plus, Ecoman plus.
Divided by plus 2.
As vitamin C equivalent to the 299 of people of the Pitan City na population of the Philippines.
No, mo kay ko naman naman dito.
Medium size of the USA and the entire United Kingdom.
Amo kay naman dito. Green tea is no